you finally went to sleep. Tatted on my arm, got you embedded in my skin. Tears gon' always fall, but lately they been running deep. Hard to fall asleep, I feel like I could barely think. Know this might sound strange, but these voices speaking to me. Feel like there's this demon in my room no one can see. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm the cause of all my pain, cause who's to blame when they all leave? January 7th, phone rung, I ain't get it. Hurts to know I could've been there quicker for your death. It always used to tell me, keep my head up, don't you let it. All those dark emotions, that's the devil, ain't no question. But ever since you've been gone, I've been questioning God. I feel like he's responsible for all of these waterfalls. From my uncle and my cousin to my aunt, I've been cautious. Every loss told me a lesson, last one showed me what hurt is. And I've been hurting since. Standing at your funeral like damn we here again. Your sister, my mother, she strong but man she miss her sis. And as for your daughter, we doing good, we reminisce. Can't speak on me, I took this death right to the chest. It's been weighing on me heavy on my heart, I can't forget.